In this video, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips on how to run a great Kaizen event. A Kaizen event is an accelerated team event aimed at rapid, perhaps breakthrough change or improvement. They're typically 1 week in length, but can vary from a few hours to weeks. The word Kaizen is Japanese and can be split up into 2 parts. Kai stands for change and Zen stands for good. So when you put those 2 together, we get the phrase good change. Don't forget to watch until the end of the video for a bonus tip on how to make your next Kaizen super successful.
Hi, I'm Luca. Welcome to this channel where I share weekly videos about Lean Six Sigma and how it can improve both your professional and personal life. If you're new here and want to keep learning more about Lean Six Sigma, please click the red subscribe button and little bell below so you get notified as soon as new content is uploaded.
Let's begin with tip number 1. It's crucial to involve the people that are actually doing the work and empower them to make positive change. Only these people will truly understand the details of the tasks that are being performed and can provide valuable insight. You also want them to be part of creating the solution so there is accountability and buy-in. Tip number 2. Start with a strong problem statement. There is a saying that a well-defined problem is half your solution. It helps to clarify your problem and gives everyone a clear direction of what it is you're trying to solve. Defining an objective and scope also helps to steer your team in the right direction over the course of the Kaizen. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to make a video on how to write a simple and effective problem statement. Tip number 3. Get rid of old assumptions and challenge the status quo. Just because we have been doing things a certain way for many years doesn't mean it's the best way. Perhaps the requirements or technology has changed and we can now make that particular task much easier or even better, eliminate it altogether. If you like this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave a comment below. Moving on to tip number 4. At the beginning of your Kaizen event, dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours to provide some Lean Six Sigma review or training. Don't assume all your participants are aware of Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques. If they've already been trained before, this will be a great refresher for them. Make sure your theoretical training is followed by an educational game to really drive in the key points of what they've learned. Now for tip number 5. Don't worry about being perfect. Even if it's only half right, start now. We often delay improvement in search for perfection. You will never come up with a perfect solution in a Kaizen. The best thing to do is try out your idea and make any required changes on the fly. And now for your bonus tip of the day. At the beginning of your Kaizen event, establish a daily schedule and allow for breaks. This will help team members better plan their day and aim for milestones. If you're running a 1-week Kaizen event, you should be developing or trialing out your future state by the middle of day 3. Lastly, don't forget to plan a celebration lunch on your last day to recognize everyone's hard work and achievements.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out more of my videos about Lean Six Sigma here.